Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about compound condition. In compound condition, we are focusing on two criterias like age is equal to 30. Only select those employees or only accept those applications in which age is between 21 and 30. So like that, if is the if block, else, and here is the else block, and in if condition age is greater than 20 and age is less than or equal to 30. Display message here after empty println you are selected otherwise you are not selected. Run the program and here is the result. So you can also apply OR operator by using this sign, like change the condition city colon ABC, select only those employees in which age is greater than or equal to 20 and city is equal to ABC. Run the program. Even if age is like 19, employee is also selected because this statement or this condition is false and this condition is true. So in OR operator only one condition is true, the condition will be true, the block which is blue will be executed. Thank you for watching this video.